Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese.
Hey, it's Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn all about zoo animals. First, let's listen to some conversations. 老师说要带我们去动物园。
太好了！你最喜欢什么动物？
我最喜欢狮子。去年我爸爸带我去过一次动物园，我们喂了狮子。
你们给狮子喂了什么？
牛肉。希望这次也可以喂狮子。你最喜欢什么动物？
我最喜欢大熊猫。大熊猫胖胖的，好可爱。
上次我去的时候没有看到大象，希望现在有大象。老师说要带我们去动物园。
太好了！你最喜欢什么动物？
我最喜欢狮子。去年我爸爸带我去过一次动物园，我们喂了狮子。
你们给狮子喂了什么？
牛肉。希望这次也可以喂狮子。你最喜欢什么动物？
我最喜欢大熊猫。大熊猫胖胖的，好可爱。
上次我去的时候没有看到大象，希望现在有大象。Vocabulary 说 to say, to speak. For example, 老师说要带我们去动物园。The teacher said he would take us to the zoo. 妈妈说今天晚上我们要去吃韩国餐。Mom said that we are going out to eat Korean food tonight. 动物园 literally animal park, zoo. 我没去过动物园。I've never been to a zoo. 这个动物园有很多动物。There are many animals in this zoo. Using 最 to describe the most. So 最 is like the most or the suffix est that we add to an adjective. The sentence structure is like this. 最 plus adjective or verb. Make sure that you don't put 最 to the end of a sentence like you do in English. 最 is always in front of an adjective or a verb. For example, 我最喜欢狗。I like dogs the most. 今天最热。Today is the hottest. 这里的牛肉最好吃。The beef here is the best. 我最怕老鼠。I am most afraid of mice. 中文最难。Chinese is most difficult. 狮子 lion or lions. For example, 我最喜欢狮子。I like lions the most. 这个动物园有5只狮子。There are 5 lions in this zoo. 去年 last year. 去年我爸爸带我去过一次动物园。My dad took me to the zoo one time last year. 去年我养了一只狗。I raised a dog last year. 喂 to feed. For example, 我们喂了狮子。We fed the lions. 你给小狗喂饭了吗？ Have you fed the puppy yet? Now let's compare the 2 different usages of this word, 喂. The first one is pronounced as 喂. It's used in answering phone calls. For example, 喂，你好 hello. The second one is pronounced as 喂. It means to feed. For example, 我想喂狮子 I want to feed the lions. 上次 last time. For example, 上次我生病吃了3天的药。Last time I was sick, I took medicine for 3 days. 上次我没有看到大象。I didn't see an elephant last time. 这次 this time. For example, 上次我没有喂狮子，希望这次可以喂狮子。I didn't feed the lions last time, and I hope I can feed them this time. 这次我要尝尝辣牛肉。This time I want to try spicy beef. 大象 elephant. For example, 这次我希望可以看到大象。This time I hope to see elephants. 这个动物园没有大象。There are no elephants in this zoo. Using 到 as a result complement. Result complements are quite challenging in Chinese grammar. Today we will start by a simple one. 到 You may recall from one of our previous lessons, 到 means to arrive. For example, 我的生日快到了。 my birthday is coming soon. The second usage of 到 is a result complement. For example, 我看到了一只狮子 I saw a lion. So exactly what is a result complement? We're going to explain this by looking at two different phrases. The first one is 看. You have learned 看, which is to see or to look. 看 is only the action of looking or saying. When I ask you to 看, that means I want you to look in certain directions. Or I want you to look at something. It's just the action. Versus 看到 is the action of looking or saying, and the result is achieved. You looked and you saw something. The sentence structure with a result complement is like this. Subject plus verb plus 到 plus object. For example, if you want to say this sentence, look, there's a lion over there. Do you see it? 看，那里有一只狮子，你看到了吗？ The first 看 is the action. I want you to look at that direction. Look. And the second part, 看到 is the result. Do you see it? Does the result come to you? And the other person goes, I saw it. 我看到了. More examples. 你听，我妈妈在唱歌，你听到了吗？ Listen, my mom is singing. Did you hear it? 我没听到. I didn't hear it. To negate a sentence with a result complement, you have to use a may. Think of it this way. If the result has come to you, it's a past thing, so you can only use may to negate it. 胖, chubby, or fat. For example, 这只大熊猫很胖. This giant panda is fat. 熊猫胖胖的，好可爱. The panda is chubby and is so cute. You may recall from one of our previous lessons that we duplicate verbs to make the tone quite relaxed. We can also duplicate adjectives. For example, 胖胖的 chubby, 长长的 long. 大熊猫 giant panda. 我最喜欢大熊猫 I like panda the most. 上次我没有看到大熊猫，希望这次可以看到。I didn't see a giant panda last time, and I hope I can see it this time. Now it's time for a culture tip. In lots of cultures, 胖 is a very offensive word. In Chinese culture, 胖 is not a highly offensive word. Chinese people use 胖胖的 to describe children, and the tone is not offensive at all. It's actually quite affectionate. Many people find chubby children or small animals adorable. Even among adults, family members or friends use 胖 to joke around. Sometimes you will also hear Chinese people using 胖 to mock themselves. Understanding those cultural differences can really help you avoid misunderstandings when you talk to a native Chinese speaker. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!